I did forget.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Malika.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mr. Bobvin or Malika, and in today's video, I'm going to be seeing how many tops I can get done in a day. So it is 8:46 right now, so I will end this at basically 9 o'clock. So instead of doing a 12-hour day, I'm actually gonna do 24 hours. So yesterday I worked for 12 hours from 8:46 to 9, so actually it was like 13 hours. And so today I'm gonna work for another 12 hours, so it just totals 24. Oh, machine knit, by the way. I have to move this whole tape. I'm gonna see how many tops I can machine knit in a day. So I had this yarn that I'm gonna be using. I bought it like months ago, and so I'm just now getting to it.
Oh shoot, my head's
It doesn't matter. So this color is Autumn. This one right here. This color is Spectrum. This color is Cotton Candy. Did I do this color? This color is Dark Ocean. I did that one already. This color is Summer Sunrise. Oh, I think I said all the colors. Anyway, so let's get it. So I'm gonna start off with Summer Sunrise, and we'll see how much yarn it takes to make a knit top. Let's get it now. And I'm going to knit all of the panels for like 3 tops, and then I'm gonna put everything together and then go from there. Then after that, I'll see if I can squeeze in a 4th or 5th top. We'll just see though. So it is 12:02, and I finished the first set of, I finished all the panels for my first sweater, and now I'm moving on to the second sweater, well, top, honestly. And this is a yarn I'm going to be using. It's the Cotton Candy one, and I'm going to get all those panels done. And then I'm actually going to go to the library, and I'll attach those 2 tops, and then I'll come back and make a 3rd and 4th and a 5th, maybe. We'll see. So it is 2:55 right now, and I finished the second top, all of the panels for it, and now I'm gonna go to the library and attach the panels together, and then I'll come home and see how many more I can get done then. Okay, so I have the two tops basically assembled. They're not fully done yet, but I do want to start on a third one, and then I'll attach all three together. And then I feel like that might be it, because this takes longer than I thought. I didn't think it would take this long, but it does. But it does. So we'll see. Okay guys, it is 9:31 and I officially finished the panels for the third top, but I'm actually just gonna attach it tomorrow because it'll still be a day. It'll be 24 hours tomorrow, so it's still a day. And I'm hungry, so I need to eat. And that's what I'm gonna do. So, easy. So I have the 2 sleeves and the 2 panels done. I stitched marked this top together, so all I have to do is sew it together, and then I just attach the sleeves to this top, and I have to stitch mark that together so that I can attach everything else. And that's how much I got done in like 12 hours. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. It is 11:37 and I finished the 3rd top. So it took me, I worked 13 hours yesterday, and then today I started at 9, 10, 11, so 13, 14. So it took me 15 hours to make 3 tops. So this was my first one I finished. Then this was the second one I finished, and then this is the 3rd one I finished. So 3 tops in a day. That's literally crazy. I actually could continue until 9 p.m. and do like maybe 2 more, but I'm not gonna do that because I'm tired of machine knitting. And I'm ready to actually hand knit again. That was fun, and I'm glad I did it, and I now know that I can get a lot done in 15 hours, which is really crazy. Anyway, that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!